When it comes to insurance, choosing the right coverage can be confusing. And chances are you're not too excited about paying a premium, because who would be? But having the right insurance coverage is an important part of any financial plan. Imagine this. You get in a fender bender, someone gets injured at your residence, or you lose a wedding ring or some other prized possession, and most of the costs are covered. That's the beauty of insurance. Because what's better than knowing that you, your loved ones, personal property, and others are covered for life's unexpected moments? Insurance can even protect your cash and future income in the event of a lawsuit or other claims for damages. Now let's get down to the fun stuff. Insurance coverage. All insurance policies are different, so even if you're comparing a similar policy from two different companies, it's important to take a closer look. For instance, most policies only pay for losses identified in the contract. Things like endorsements and liability limits also impact your coverage. It can be a lot to consider, but don't stress. Your insurance agent will give you a hand in choosing a plan based on your needs, lifestyle, risk tolerance, and other factors. Okay, now let's talk about deductibles and premiums. Almost all policies have an amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. That's the deductible. So say you get in a car accident. The damage, $5,000. If your deductible is $1,000, that just means you'll pay the first $1,000 and your insurance company is on the hook to cover the rest. You can choose the deductible you want when selecting your policy, though the lower the deductible, the higher your monthly payment, or premium. And the higher deductible, the less you pay monthly. If you have questions or want to know more about your insurance options, schedule a virtual or in-person appointment with one of our agents at firsttechfed.com. We're your one-stop shop for the insurance you need to help protect the people and things most important to you.